Hello and welcome back guys. Today we will make a very beautiful hairstyle. First take few hairs from the sides and then make the braids out of it. Keep taking the hairs from the sides as we are doing. Follow the same step for the other side as well. Now tie the pony as we have done. Now tie the hairs from the bottom as well and then rotate it from the between. Now roll it upwards and then roll the leftover hairs as we are doing and fix it using a hairpin and your beautiful hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next we will make another hairstyle. Take few part of the hairs, tie it and then rotate it. Follow the same step for 2 more times. Take all the hairs and tie the plaits as we are doing. Divide the hairs into 3 equal parts, otherwise the plaits won't look good. This hairstyle is best suited for medium to long hairs. Now fix it and it's ready. Next, we will make a very beautiful and little different hairstyle. First, tie the ponytail and then take the few parts of the hair and pull it upward using a pin. Now, divide that hair in 2 parts. Now, take one part and start making the plaits. Watch the video very carefully. Take some hairs from the front and then tie the plaits together. It's little bit time consuming and little bit complicated. After we are done with this plait, we will follow the same step for the other side as well and then we will tie all of them together and it's ready. Next we will make a beautiful hairstyle. Take few parts of the hairs and tie them together and then rotate it. Now divide the hairs in 2 parts. Now fix them on the alternative sides as we are doing using a pin. After fixing it on the alternative sides, we will follow this step for one more time. This hairstyle is best suited for medium to long hairs. After it is done, we will fix the rest over hairs with the help of a hairpin and the hairs are gonna look very beautiful, trust me. I know it seems little bit of complicated but trust me, it's not. It's very easy and not much time consuming. Yes, your bun is done. Isn't it looking so beautiful? Next, we will make a very beautiful hairstyle. First, clip the hairpin in the hairs, then take the hairs, roll it and fix it upward as shown. Now take another part of the hairs and fix it on the other side as well. Now take leftover hairs and fix it on the alternative side. Now from the top, we will roll down the hairs and fix it using a hairpin and your beautiful bun is ready. Next, we will make a very beautiful hairstyle. Tie a ponytail, roll the hairs and then fold it upward slowly and carefully as we are doing. Now fix it using the hairpin as we are doing and your beautiful bun is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie a ponytail and then we will make the braids out of it. Pull out some hairs as we are doing. Now, we will fold the hairs upwards carefully and slowly and fix it using the hairpins and the beautiful bun is ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.